Hello, I am Lacey Farmer and I will be teaching first grade students addition and subtraction. In first grade, students should be able to add and subtract numbers up to 20 using spoken words, objects, pictorial models, and number sentences. They should also be able to solve problem situations when given a number sentence involving addition and subtraction of numbers within 20. I will first be using a set model using base 10 blocks in a place value chart to show addition and subtraction. And second, I will be using a linear model to show students how to add and subtract using a number line. For this first problem, we're going to be looking at a word problem. And the first thing we're going to do is read it out loud. It says, Jill has 8 red pens and John has 9 blue pens. How many total pens do Jill and John have together? So let's reread this sentence, and now we're going to underline the key words that will help us solve this problem. So it says, Jill has 8 red pens and John has 9 blue pens. How many total pens do Jill and John have together? Since it says total, we know we're going to add the 8 and the 9. So we're going to rewrite this sentence into a number sentence. And it's going to read 8 plus 9 equals question mark. So now that we have it written out in a number sentence, we're going to solve it by using a place value chart and base 10 blocks. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is put 8 in the ones place. So we're going to get the units cubes and place 8 in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to add 9 more unit cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know that we can regroup these unit cubes because 10 unit cubes is going to make 1 rod. So we're going to regroup and get 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it's going to go in the tens place. So we're going to put 1 rod in the tens place so that we regrouped those 10 unit cubes. And now we're going to count how many are left. So we have 10 over here in the tens place, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So now we know that the answer to 8 plus 9 equals 17. Now we're going to use the same word problem and solve it with a number line this time. So we still have 8 plus 9. So since we're adding 8 first, we're going to find the notch 8. And then since we're adding 9, we're going to move 9 units over to find the answer. So let's jump 9 notches over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we ended right here at the 17. So we know that 17 is our answer. And that is the same answer we got the first time with the base 10 blocks. Now we're going to move on to subtraction. And we're going to start with a word problem again, and we're going to read it out loud. If Ashley has 19 cookies and she eats 7 cookies, how many cookies will Ashley have left? So we're going to go back through and underline our important numbers and words. So, if Ashley has 19 cookies and she eats 7 cookies, how many cookies will Ashley have left? So we know that she started out with 19, so that's going to be our first number. But she ate 7. So we know we're subtracting because we're looking for the number of cookies that she has after she eats those 7 cookies. So it's going to be 19 minus 7 equals question mark. And we're going to solve this problem by using the place value chart again. And we're also going to use the base 10 blocks. So we're going to start with the biggest number first. So we have 19, so this is 10, and we need 9 more, so we're going to use the unit cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we're subtracting 7. So we're going to take 7 away from the total number we have on our place value chart. So we're going to take 7 ones away because the 7 is going to be in the ones place value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves us with 1, 10, and 2 ones, and our answer is going to be 12. So we know 19 minus 7 equals 12. The second way we're going to solve this problem is using the number line. So once again, we have the problem 19 minus 7. But we're doing subtraction this time. So we're going to start out with the biggest number, the one in front, and find the notch on the number line. So 19. And then in addition, we moved forward on the number line because we were ascending. Now we're doing subtraction. So we're going to descend and go backwards 7 units. So we're going to go 7 notches back on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number we end up at on the number line is 12. So we know that 12 is the answer to 19 minus 7. And that's the same answer we got when we use the base 10 block.